In this video, I'm going to talk about bringing in a PDF from maybe a client or a consultant that you're working with and using it in your AutoCAD session. Now, most of the times when people do print out a PDF, we're not really thinking about scale, so that if you had to actually print it out and take a scale ruler, you'd get a correct size. Normally, it's just a great, I need to send this to someone, PDF, so you can see it and use it. Now, if I'm a consultant, if I'm working with someone, maybe I'm the engineer on the project and architect sends me drawings, I don't want to go and have to redraw all his walls and doors and windows. What I can do is if he had sent me a PDF, maybe a reference document, I can use that. But what I do need to know is how big, and I need to know is that the size of the drawing is the actual size. So how do we do that with AutoCAD? So first of all, we can go into our Insert tab over here, and there's two different ways of doing this. We can do a PDF import, and what that does, it'll take the PDF and actually convert it into a vector format. So a PDF is a raster, and we'll convert it into a vector format, or we can just attach it. I'm just going to attach it because I just want to draw my own components, and I don't really want to convert anything from the architect. So by selecting attach over here, I'm able to go browse to my PDF. It's going to resize PDF and go and open. Now, once again, you get the name of the PDF. You can browse for another one. What's the path type that you want to save it to. You can also specify the insertion point immediately, or scale, or rotation. I'm just going to do this all on screen. So I'm just going to click on OK. Okay, it's brought it in over here. And first of all, it's rotated at 90 degrees. So I can select it. And let's go to the rotate command. And let's rotate it by 90 degrees over there. Okay, now I need to see exactly how big this is. So I'm going to test it using this 3,700 millimeter dimension reference. So if I go to my utilities, measure, and I measure this, you'll see that it's only referencing 1.0219. Now that's a bit of a problem because it's actually supposed to be 3,700. So how can I remedy this? We can do this to the scale command. Okay, so first of all, before I even use the scale command, I'm going to draw a reference line. So this reference line over here, I'm just going to draw, and this is going to be 3,700. And I'm going to use this reference line and actually say that now this line over here must actually equal that reference line. So we go through to our scale command. First of all, select the objects that you want to scale. Right click, specify the base point. So I'm going to specify this base point over here. Specify the scale factor or copy or reference. I'm going to click on reference. It says specify the reference length. So I'm going to go click on these 2 points over here. Specify the new length. Before I do anything, I'm actually going to go down and click on points or type in P and enter. Then I'm going to select my new reference of 3,700. And if I go zoom extents, you'll see there that when I measure this again, it will now be, instead of 1.011 whatever, it's now 3,700. So that is a quick and easy way for you to bring in PDFs and scale it to the appropriate size that you're working in. Thanks very much for watching.